Let me go on the ground now, because in central Delhi, where there is a high-profile booth, remember, of the union ministers, senior leaders, and finally Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has come to cast her vote. She wasn't at the booth where Sonia and Rahul Gandhi vote. It's a different booth for her. Also, in many ways, the difference is very interesting. Sonia and Rahul Gandhi have jumped repeatedly into the contest fray, won or lost elections. So Priyanka Gandhi remains the star campaigner. This time as well, there was an expectation if she'll contest from Amethi or Rai Bareli. But she has chosen not to. Dressed in the blue attire, and this time casting a vote, while her children have already cast the vote as well, who we spoke to a short while ago. Aishwarya Palewal telling us about the latest. This is going to be an important election for the Congress party, isn't it, Aishwarya? Because as much for Sonia Gandhi, who has now handed over the mantle to her children, while Priyanka Gandhi Vadra remains the star campaigner, Rahul Gandhi will be hopeful to win both Wayanad and Rai Bareli in Delhi to prove there is anti-incumbency. Aishwarya.
Well, Pooja, let me tell you, Rahul Gandhi is here with his niece and nephew as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra at the moment has gone inside to cast her vote. So, we are seeing a lot of family bonding here. Obviously, Rahul Gandhi is speaking and having a conversation with his niece and nephew. Both of them, we saw them a couple of minutes ago at this very polling booth. They were here to cast their votes, and now we are seeing Rahul Gandhi having a candid conversation while all three of them are waiting for Priyanka Gandhi to come out and, to show that inked finger. In just a couple of minutes, we'll see Priyanka Gandhi also coming out, Pooja. This is a candid conversation that we are showing you between, Rahul Gandhi, his niece and nephew, niece Miara, who just, is a first-time voter and voted for the first time at this very polling booth, Pooja. All smiles there, all of them waiting for now Priyanka Gandhi, who stepped inside to cast her vote, cast her vote.
Accompanied his mother, Sonia Gandhi, both members of parliament, and now he's accompanying Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She's cast her vote. All smiles, walking out. Will she have something to say? Because neither Sonia Gandhi nor Rahul Gandhi had a word. But look at the body language of Priyanka Gandhi, smiling at the workers, or the ones who are, of course, ensuring that they are at the polling booth. But also, will she come out and speak out a word? Let's listen in. It looks like she has something to say. So these are the visuals of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and I want to
उसका इस्तेमाल करें और बदलाव लाएं। मैम लगातार प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं 400 पार, को लेकर आप क्या कहेंगे? एक सेकंड, 400 पार मुमकिन नहीं है। काफी समय से कहा नहीं है उन्होंने। मैम दिल्ली की स्थिति क्या लग रही है? इंडिया गठबंधन की क्या स्थिति है? इंडिया गठबंधन ही जीतेगा। क्या मुद्दे हावी हैं प्रियंका? वोट किसको डाला ये नहीं पूछूंगी, पर मुद्दे क्या हावी हैं? मुद्दे आप बता सकते हैं। आपकी बेटी भी पहली बार वोट डाल के गई है। देश के क्या मुद्दे हावी आपको लगता है? वोटर और बेरोजगारी सबसे बड़े मुद्दे हैं, सबसे बड़े मुद्दे सबके लिए, और सब चाहते हैं कि ये चुनाव उन्हीं अपने ही मुद्दों पर लड़ा जाए। सब चाहते। आम आदमी पार्टी ने आरोप लगाया है कि जहाँ पे इंडिया ब्लॉक के ज्यादा वोट है, वहाँ पे वोटिंग। आम आदमी पार्टी भी कह रही है राहुल जी इस बार झाड़ू का बटन दबाएंगे और केजरीवाल जो है हाथ का, ये है इंडिया गठबंधन। तो यही तो होता है, यही तो होता है। हम अपने सारे गिले शिकवे एक साइड करके हम अपने संविधान के लिए, अपने लोकतंत्र के लिए हम अपना वोट दे रहे हैं, और मुझे इस बात पर गर्व है,